Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some rich, moist banana coconut muffin with a little bit of island flavor. Don't worry about the measurements. Everything you need will be listed down below in the description bar. If you want to see how I put this all together, keep on watching. You will need 2 mixing bowls and a prepared muffin tray lined and ready to go. But first things first, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
First, I'm going to be preparing the dry mix. In one of the bowls, we're going to add all our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, the baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and the coconut flakes. Give that a good mix and set it aside for later.
In the next bowl, mash up 3 ripe bananas until they're nice and smooth. To that, you're going to add your beaten eggs, vanilla, sugar, and the coconut oil or your melted butter if that's what you're using. Now we're going to go ahead and pour in a little rum because island flavor is everything. Whisk that all together until it's fully combined. I also added 2 drops of brown in here. Totally optional, but it gives the muffin that rich golden look. Now gently add the dry ingredients into the wet and fold it in nice and easy. You don't want to overwork it. Next, just fold in those walnuts for a little crunch. Now it's time to spoon the batter into your prepared muffin cups, about 3/4 of the way full. Sprinkle a little coconut flakes on top for that extra island touch. Pop them in the oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown and the toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, soft, fluffy banana coconut muffins with pure Caribbean flavor. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Happy baking. Bye guys.